Are you looking for a new and innovative way to make money in 2023? Look no further than ChatGPT. As a large language model trained by OpenAI, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to monetize your skills and expertise. Making money with artificial intelligence is a new field and is expected to develop further in the future. Making money with ChatGPT, which is produced for artificial intelligence, is being intensively researched. Which methods can you make money with this application? Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, ChatGPT can help you generate revenue in exciting new ways. So how exactly can you make money with ChatGPT in 2023? Let's explore some of the most promising avenues together. Number 1. Content generation. Using ChatGPT to create excellent material for blogs, websites, and social media is one of the easiest ways to earn money. For instance, ChatGPT may be used by a content marketing company to produce blog posts, product descriptions, and other kinds of material for their clients. In addition to enhancing the quality and quantity of their content, this may help organizations and individuals save a considerable amount of time and effort. Number 2. Virtual assistants. Using ChatGPT to offer virtual assistance services is another option to earn money with it. ChatGPT may be used to answer consumer questions, make appointments, and carry out other duties that typically call for a human agent due to its capacity to grasp the natural language and respond appropriately. For instance, a company may use ChatGPT to build a virtual assistant chatbot for their website that can assist users with product suggestions, problem solving, and other activities. Number 3. ChatGPT training. Businesses and individuals that wish to learn how to utilize ChatGPT can hire freelancers to provide training services. This might involve instructing users on how to optimize the model, incorporate it into their applications, and make efficient use of it. Freelancers can charge for their training services and use ChatGPT to leverage their skills to produce a valuable service. Overall, ChatGPT offers a variety of opportunities for freelancers to monetize their work. Freelancers may provide a variety of services to organizations and individuals by utilizing the power of this technology, assisting them to automate activities, produce high-quality content, and enhance customer service. Number 4. Chatbots. Chatbots are becoming an increasingly popular way for businesses to communicate with customers. A chatbot is a computer program that can simulate conversations with human users through text or voice commands. They can be used for a variety of purposes, such as customer support, lead generation, and sales. To develop a chatbot, you'll need to have programming skills and a good understanding of how chatbots work. However, with the advancement of AI and natural language processing technology, it has become easier to develop chatbots without a lot of technical knowledge. This is where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is an AI language model that is trained to understand natural language and generate responses that are contextually relevant and grammatically correct. You can use ChatGPT's technology to develop a chatbot that can effectively communicate with customers, answer their questions, and provide support. To make money with ChatGPT in this way, you could offer your services as a chatbot developer to businesses or individuals who need a chatbot for their website or app. You could develop a chatbot using ChatGPT's technology and customize it to meet the specific needs of your clients. You could charge a fee for the development and maintenance of the chatbot, or you could charge a commission for each sale or lead generated through the chatbot. Overall, developing a chatbot using ChatGPT's technology is a promising way to make money in 2023, as businesses continue to look for new ways to communicate with customers and improve their customer service. Number 5. Translation of a language. Language translation involves the process of converting written text from one language into another language. This can be done using various methods such as machine translation, human translation, or a combination of both. Language translation is an essential service that is required in today's globalized world, where businesses and individuals often need to communicate with people from different countries and cultures. The process of language translation involves several steps, including text analysis, translation, and post-editing. Text analysis involves analyzing the source text to identify any potential issues, such as ambiguous or complex sentences, cultural references, or idiomatic expressions that may not have a direct translation. Translation involves converting the text into the target language, while post-editing involves reviewing and correcting any errors in the translated text. ChatGPT may also be used for language translation, which is another method to make money from it. ChatGPT may be used to translate papers, websites, and other sorts of information because it can understand and produce several languages. This can be a useful service for both businesses and individuals. ChatGPT may be used by a software firm, for example, to automatically translate its user guide and support manuals into a variety of languages, increasing its accessibility to a larger audience. Number 6. Research and development. Research and analysis are critical components of many industries, and they are essential for making informed decisions. The use of AI language models such as ChatGPT has revolutionized the way research and analysis are conducted, making the process more efficient and accurate. In 2023, businesses, governments, and individuals continue to rely on research and analysis to make informed decisions, and AI language models like ChatGPT will play a crucial role in this process. One area where ChatGPT can be used for research and analysis is market research. Businesses can use ChatGPT to analyze customer feedback, conduct surveys, and analyze market trends. ChatGPT can quickly analyze large volumes of data, making it easier for businesses to identify patterns and make informed decisions about product development, marketing strategies, and other business decisions. Another area where ChatGPT can be useful is in scientific research. Scientists can use ChatGPT to analyze vast amounts of data from experiments, research papers, and other sources to identify patterns and trends. ChatGPT can also be used to analyze research data in multiple languages, making it easier for scientists to collaborate across borders and share their findings with a broader audience. ChatGPT can also be used to analyze financial data in real time, making it easier for traders to make informed decisions about buying and selling stocks. Number 7. Create YouTube content ideas. In 2023, YouTube is primarily used for internet monetization. More specifically, you may generate a lot of visitors and excellent profits by creating YouTube videos. The biggest challenge for YouTube channel owners is deciding what kinds of material to produce. In other words, content ideas are a huge problem for channel owners. In this situation, ChatGPT monetization strategies are essential. Similar software, because it conducts all activities in a chat environment, you can receive ideas for YouTube videos from here. The steps listed below can be used for this. Visit ChatGPT and finish the registration process. You may also use your Google account to sign in. For instance, write, "Offer me content ideas for my financial channel." It will give you results. The only thing left is to shoot videos on these ideas and earn money. If you want to know how to make money, ChatGPT monetization methods can help you. Number 8. Write ad copy for sales pages. A great sales page must have strong ad text, and here's where ChatGPT may be quite helpful. ChatGPT's cutting-edge AI technology enables companies to create engaging ad copy that may affect customers' purchase decisions. Marketing experts and business owners alike can create engaging headlines, appealing product descriptions, and effective calls to action by utilizing ChatGPT's features. This is just one of the many ways you can learn how to make money with ChatGPT by assisting businesses in creating effective sales pages. Number 9. Become an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money with ChatGPT. Using this approach, you may advertise goods and services in any sector while earning a commission on each sale. The beautiful thing about affiliate product sales is that they are inexpensive to start and quite simple to set up. All you need is an affiliate marketing link, which is available from the majority of businesses that sell any kind of physical or digital goods. The next step is to begin marketing your link on your website, blog, or social media platforms once you have it. As an affiliate marketer, it's important to add value to your audience and build trust. Concentrate on offering relevant and informative content so that they may choose the product or service with knowledge. So there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. Whether you're a freelance writer, content creator, or entrepreneur, the possibilities are endless with this powerful AI language model. With the right skills and strategies, you can turn your ChatGPT knowledge into a profitable venture. So why not give it a try and see where it takes you? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.